Good morning once again, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. Welcome to our second session. I am Sonali ma'am, and as you know, we did addition yesterday where we did some revision and we did some class workbook exercises, right? Today I'm going to do some more revision, but this time I'm going to do with objects and some eatables. So it's going to be a fun activity come revision. And then we are going to do class workbook exercises. So let's begin. So children, let's begin our addition, revision, come activity. What do I have here? Yes, tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's right. 7 tomatoes. 4 plus 3, 7. Then we have 1, 2. 2 pencils plus 1, 2. 2 more. 2 plus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. Next we have 1, 2, 3 cups plus, where there is no cup here means 0. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 1, 2 and 3 cups. Next we have yummy grapes. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Then what do I have here? Keychains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keychains plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Right. Then what do I have? Spoon. 1, 2 spoon plus 1, 2, 3 spoon. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next I have these yummy melodies. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 melodies plus 1, 2. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right. So this is our activity come revision for today. Now children, please open the class workbook to page number 108. And we will begin with today's date, which is 4.2.21. Here also we'll be doing addition just like the way we did yesterday, right? So let's begin. Remember children, greater number in our head and smaller number on our fingers. Okay, so let's begin with the first one, 6 plus 2. So 6 is the greater number. So that will come in our head and 2 on our fingers. So after 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Next we have 7 plus 1. So 7 is a greater number. 7 in our head, 1 on our finger. After 7, 8. Answer is 8. 3 plus 2. 3 in our head, 2 on our fingers. So after 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. Next is 2 plus 5. So here 5 is a greater number which will go in our head and 2 on our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Here 0 plus 4. So greater is 4. 4 in our head and 0 means nothing. So answer is 4. Very good. 4 plus 2. 4 in our head, 2 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Next we have 2 plus 0. 2 in our head and 0 means nothing. So answer is 2. Next 4 plus 4. Here both the numbers are the same, right? So 4 in our head and 4 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Next 1 plus 4. 4 in our head and 1 on our finger. After 4, 5. Answer is 5. 5 plus 3. 5 in our head and 3 on our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Very good. Next 4 plus 3. Again 4 in our head and 3 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next we have 6 plus 0. 6 in our head and 0 means, yes, 0 means nothing. So answer is 6. Children, we will open to our next page, which is 109, and we will begin with the date 4.2.21. Here also we have to do the sums like we did earlier. So let's begin. 1 plus 6. 6 in our head, 1 on our finger. So after 6, 7. Answer 7. 9 plus 0. 9 in our head and 0 on our fingers. So 0 means nothing. So answer will be 9. 2 plus 7. So your greater number is 7. So 7 in our head, 2 on our fingers. After 7, 8, 9. Answer will be 9. 2 plus 1. 2 in our head, 1 on our finger. So after 2, 3. Answer will be 3. 7 plus 1. 7 in our head, 1 on our finger. After 7, 8. Very good. You will write 8 here. 3 plus 4. 4 in our head, 3 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer 7. Next we have 0 plus 8. So 8 is a greater number. So 8 in our head and again 0 means nothing, no number. So answer is 8. Next we have 4 plus 4. 4 in our head, 4 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. 2 plus 4. 4 is a greater number. So 4 in our head, 2 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Next we have 4 plus 3. 4 in our head, 3 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next we have 6 plus 0. So 6 is a greater number. 6 in our head and 0 means no number. So answer will be 6. And the last one is 4 plus 5. So, which is a greater number? Yes, very good. 5 in our head, 4 on our fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. You will also do the same way, the way I have done. Okay? So children, I hope you enjoyed today's session as much as I did. Please keep practicing your addition till we meet again soon. Please take care of yourself. Bye-bye.